Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I wanted to make a quick video about how you can make killer YouTube video description using ChatGPT. In this video I'm gonna show you some basics how you can basically request a prompt through ChatGPT, and it will give you a beautiful, amazing description for your next YouTube video. Especially when it comes to text editing or rephrasing, you should definitely start using ChatGPT because it can basically create an outline for you, give you maybe some ideas, and it's basically a very useful tool to be using right now. First of all, let's see how you can use ChatGPT and how you can ask it to give you a YouTube video description. There are many great tips you need to know before using ChatGPT, especially for maybe YouTube video description, because ChatGPT doesn't know what the video will be about, so you need to really give it good details, what you expect from it, and what it should provide to you. Remember, ChatGPT is like a newborn baby, so you need to tell it exactly what to do, how to do it. In this chat, you can see that I was already testing it for my YouTube video where I traveled to Malta. A very good tip is to always tell ChatGPT what it is and what you basically expect it to provide to you. So over here I was basically telling ChatGPT that I'm a travel vlogger and I want to make it a video description for my travel vlog to Malta. It has already provided a pretty good example to me, so join me on my adventure to a beautiful city of Valletta and to Blue Lagoon. Even though I didn't do everything like this, I think it's really good. So let's maybe just test it for something else now. I'll still be creating a video description for my video to Malta. Let's go to my travel video to Malta and let's review it. So as you can see, it's not a very good video description. It only says that it was a summer vacation basically to Malta, but I want to be more specific and provide as many details as I can. So in Malta we were basically just enjoying our summer vacation. We traveled to Valletta, Sliema, Paisville, San Julian. So I'll just copy the names of these parts of Malta and cities so that I'll remember exactly what I expect ChatGPT to provide to me. So let's now ask ChatGPT for a better video description. So again, let's just remind it that you are basically a travel vlogger and I want ChatGPT to make me a video description for YouTube about my video to Malta, where I travel around the island of Malta with my girlfriend. And as you can see, ChatGPT is already generating some text, so let's see what it comes up with. So get ready for an unforgettable summer vacation in Malta. Next, it will start describing the cities, which is very useful because I don't even really remember, even though it was just like 2 years ago, where we went, what we did there. So I think it will just give you a general description about the city and everything you can basically do over there. I would say when I compare these two, the second one, I really like it. It's really accurate information about what we were doing over there. So I think I'll just copy to my YouTube video and start using it. As you can see, I will not delete the first part that I already put in there, just not to confuse maybe the YouTube algorithm, but I'll definitely provide more detailed information with ChatGPT. As you can see, it was really fast, very easy to generate and very easy to use. So this is one of the best things you can definitely use ChatGPT for. Okay, so the video description is ready. So next step where I'll test it, I'll try to use it for also generating some text. It already knows some information about Malta, about what I did over there. So let's just continue in this conversation and basically ask it to provide some text for a YouTube video. So it's already generating many texts which can be useful and which we can use. So these would be, let's say, the most important words from the text. As you know, we cannot basically copy them all at once, so we either need to add a comma to it, and maybe let's try if that works. So let's transform the text to a text with comma. Over here it's automatically generating all of the text to Over here, ChatGPT is already transforming all the text to basically text with commas. And now we can copy all of the text to the video description. It has already provided many amazing text for the YouTube video. Hope this will help the SEO as well on YouTube, but as you can see, this is my best performing video, so I hope that it gets even better. Potentially you could also use it for a killer video title, but I'll not do it, just not to mess up with the SEO algorithm and YouTube algorithm too much. I'll keep it like this. This was a very simple and quick guide how you can use ChatGPT for generating either YouTube title, YouTube video description, or text. It's very simple and very user-friendly, and the most important part is that it's very useful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.